No, I'm gonna spawn in the tornado. Oh my. No, why does it deploy me here? Look at the jet. What, the jet isn't affected? Bruh, damn, I want some. Yes, please, give me some. Give me some before the round is over. Show me what you have, Mighty Storm. Show me everything you got. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't see shit. I can't. Why am I taking damage? Why am I taking damage? What the hell? Hey, man. Hey, hey, yo, come back here. Wait, can I shoot him? Ah, no, shit. I'm taking damage. I'm taking damage again. How do I bail? Ah. Why does it like literally kill you? How do you exit the storm? Please subscribe.